Hey guys, welcome back to OJ AD, and Olivia's not here because she's not here. But I kind of just felt like recording. There's no montages or anything because Olivia does all the editing, and I'm recording right to YouTube. So like, it's not the best quality, but it's still a video. And Olivia, if she sees me post this, she's gonna like start yelling at me about it. So I'm going to post this on my main channel too, Jumpy Bunny. Please check that out. I haven't posted in a long time because I forgot my password to it. I forgot my password. What the heck's happening over there? That's Scooter and my mom. Scooter's my stepdad, and he leaves comments a lot, and he really helps. Except for he doesn't really help during the videos. He just helps us. He shares our videos on Reddit and stuff, and that helps. Look at this place. Alright, let's watch Scooter perform a show.
Dig up some bones.
He's an actor, so this
Alright,
should be
ladies
good.
and gentlemen, I'm Scooter McThumbknuckle. I'm the comedian who puts the punchline first. Alright, stop me if you heard this one. And so then I said, that is my foot. I'll be here all week, ladies and
This
gentlemen.
has nothing to do with me.
Let's go dig up some bones.
Wanna dig up some bones?
We're gonna dig up some bones, guys. Let's dig up some bones. Oh, run, Forrest, run. There's little kids. I can't show their faces.
Watch them do it.
I can't show faces.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we can always take a walk through the nature trail.
Nature trail. Mom's suggesting the nature trail. This cute little bridge. Cute little bridge.
But, first you gotta pay the toll.
I don't have money.
Then you must answer these riddles.
No.
Can you do this challenge where you stand on here?
Stand?
Not as easy as it looks.
Here, want me to take
Oh. Yeah. Just to be careful not to hit.
See? See, not so easy, is it?
Yes, it is. I had lots of practice.
I think you have to jump 2
Don't
feet.
do this at home. Just wait. If I could flip that chair back up in the pet peeve video, I'm pretty sure I can do this. I did it.
You're at 3.5 minutes.
3.5 minutes. That's okay. We'll do it until like. I don't even know.
What if you stop it and then you start it again up here?
Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. That's restricted area. And we've made it. For me, it's been 2 minutes, but for you, it's been like no time at all.
Careful, there's snakes.
Snakes, butterflies, hummingbirds. You can't see that one because it's too dark.
Go?
Don't climb on the rock.
Froggy frogs.
Okay.
This way, says the mom. All right, let's do this way.
This is witch hazel.
Witch hazel.
These are
Read the sign. Read the sign. This is so beautiful. This is better than Silver Lake.
I think that these are called bluebells.
Bluebells. Bees? I don't. Remember the Yellow Jacket story, guys? That might happen here, so be prepared. Read the sign. Alright, I'm not going to make you read all the signs, but I'll show you it so you can pause it. Sign. Let's just show you all the signs. Oh crap. There's a B. Can you see it? No, you can't see it. Oh, there's 2 signs combined into 1 sign. Dad. That literally says Dad. Dad. This plant is called Dad.
Really?
Yes, I think it says Dad.
Well, I think these are in memory of. This is too extra, a very special little kitten. So they donate it. In loving memory. These are all.
Oh, because that sign says Dad.
These are memorial things.
I swear it says Dad.
Where?
Right there, right. Guys,
Oh, come on. That's not. This is a sugar maple, and it's dedicated to Dad. To Dad. It just doesn't say to. Dad, comma. Count the stars in the sky, and you will see how much we love you so. To infinity and beyond. Your son, Johnny, and Mom.
does that mean they're
Rachel.
dead?
I think Dad's dead, yeah.
Oh, say, can you see